Meeting. Peace be with you. Hello. May peace be upon you. Hi. Good morning. How are you? I am fine. How is your health? My health is good. How is your father? My father is all right. Have a good day. Good evening. Goodbye. Have a pleasant day. Good night. Welcome. I welcome you. I am very pleased to meet you. I am also happy to see you. I haven't seen you since a long time. I have missed you a great deal. I really had a desire to see you. Convey my regards to all the members of your family. I thank you. Thanks. Many thanks. You are welcome. My apology. Go, in Allah's protection. May Allah's protection be with you.